What up? And welcome back to Wall Street's Ben Black's Playbook. I truthfully and honestly just stuttered through that. Welcome back to Wall Street Ben Black Playbook. Okay, there we go. How are y'all doing? Okay, so y'all, I had this watch list up, but I just got done taking this class from somebody else, from another pro. And I had to come in here and redo this watch list, okay? Because I learned some things. So first up, let's just get to it. Let's do this top-down analysis. So over here, I want to pull up my 50. I want to come in here and look at this. So the 50 on the daily, these are like big movements, when you can feel comfortable swinging something, as I have just learned, you all, you can definitely feel comfortable swinging it when you see it lose and regain the 50. So today we very cleanly rejected this 50 and came down, and we're sitting in between this zone of 391.07 and 387.23. So truthfully, just from looking at this in here, I don't want to take SPY unless it's outside of this range. I don't want to take SPY unless it's outside of this range. Now, I do see from this right here where I have this 387.23, you would be able to scalp this down to the low of this candle in here, which is this 386.27. That's a very nice scalp that you'd be able to do in there, but the safest move is going to be to just wait for this to cross below this 386.27 in here. Like somewhere in there, right? That's what we want to take in there. Now, I also saw a signal in here on the 20 as support. Yep. So in here, so we have the 20 MA sitting at 386.68 and the 50 at 391.68. So those are my levels for tomorrow for SPY, is above the 391.68 or below the 386.68. Possibly even this 386.25 would be safer. So I like that in there for tomorrow. Now, I want to show you something for scalping. So if you're wanting to come in, let me pull up VWAP. If you're wanting to come in and scalp. Sorry, I just found my coffee from this morning, so my apologies. But okay, so if you're going to want to scalp this, when it loses the lower band of the VWAP down to the low of yesterday, right? Which is what we really just saw when we were in there looking on the daily. So below this lower band, down here to the low of what today was, right? Which is in here at this 387.25. And you would be able to take that down here to this 386.24. But overall, see in here, this came in here, support, previous resistance, and we see like this is where when it broke this level, it pulled back, retested it right here with this pin bar, and then took off up there, had a $3 run there, right? So yes, those are the levels that I'm looking at for SPY tomorrow. I will not scalp it. I'm going to wait until it crosses below this 386.24. And where I am looking at to take it, now this is where I'm going to pull up my retracement levels. And where I would be looking up, and look right there, that's where that one is overall is down here to this 377.64. That, I mean, we see it. That's is really not going to meet support again until that. Let's see, because I like this trend line in here. I like this support trend line. I like the support trend lines in here. Do you see what I see? Now, obviously, this trend was broken, right? Because it definitely did not, right? This came all the way up here. It didn't come back down to the support trend line. If I was keeping it in with that, but I could also adjust to, no, I don't even like that. But okay, I just saw this in here. All right, so yes, below this 386.27 with overall target down here to 377. And then above, well, it says this 391.60. So here. I like it where I have it. About the high of that. Okay. Now let me go to the 15-minute because I will be able to see this a little bit clearer. So the smaller the time frame that I am, as I'm using these fib levels, right, is the shorter I'm going to be able to actually hold the play. So overall, right, when we were on the 1 hour, I see it coming down to the 377, like right in here. But when I come to the 15-minute, it's showing me more stops along the way. So again, if I wait it here, then after that, then it's going to be this 384.92. And then if it went above my 391, then this is when I want to turn on the extension. And then we'll go back to the 1 hour. To the 393. Okay. All right, now I want to look at the 15 minutes with the 100. Very cool new trick that I just learned is that the 100 is very much so respected on the 15 for when you'll be able to take enter into for possibly for a swing. So let's look at this. Let us check it out. I don't really need to change the color. Oh yeah, because I want the 100. I mean, and look at this. You retaking that, losing that all in there. That's nice. That's nice. That 100 on this 15, that's nice. What's it look like with the 20? Yeah. And the 50? Yeah. I like that 100 in there. Okay, so yeah, we see it in here below this 3624. Woo, 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 bam, bam, bam. Living my best life. Okay, boom. Now let's go to Microsoft. Look at this 100. Dang, if I would have saw this earlier, like this is when it started. Oh no, today's Thursday. Okay, never mind. But look at that in there. That's nice. Look at this. This is good for swinging. Y'all, that 100 and the 15 in my arsenal. All right, now let's go to the daily though, so I can look at my levels in here. Listen, rejected this trend line as well as the 50. Was it the 50? Yeah, we lost this 50 yesterday, still going down. And I believe in the 20, this is what we lost today, had this cross. RSI is coming to kiss it. Truthfully. Let's see. Where would I want to enter? Because I can't, but I mean, let's see what this looks like on the 15-minute. Losing the 50. When did it lose the 50? Oh no, it's the 100. Yeah, it's the 100 that you want to look at in here. So this was Wednesday, and then it lost the 50 Wednesday as well. Okay, so today's Thursday, so that's not really done. Let's go back here to the daily. Ocean, please leave Alexa alone. Move, Ocean. Because I wonder, is this going to get us this move back down here to this 226, and then therefore we get a little bit of a triple bottom in there. right? Because if we come here on the daily with Microsoft, we have, ooh, and this is a bearish harami right here. So let me show y'all what the bearish harami chart pattern looks like. Right here. Let's see. Down and here. Well, not the cross. And I'll see. This bearish harami, we come back over here. Was this a gap down? And this was a gap down. Okay, y'all. So it's like, okay. That's a bearish harami on the weekly. That really leads me to think that we're probably going to get this move down here to 226. And I think I almost would want to wait until below 229.90, but let's look. Let's go back to the daily and look at, when are they earning? Next week. Let's look at these retracements. 230. So yeah, below, well, should this say below this 227? But baby, I'm trying to catch the ride. I'm trying to catch it down here today. I want to catch the ride down here. But this is okay, below this 230.73 to 227.18. To 227.18. Or above 234.27. To 238.66. Okay. And link this R sign kissing here too. And listen, you know the three black crows. So like right here, 1, 2, 3. You got it right here, 1, 2, 3. Right? This could, but this was 1, 2, and then went back up, right? But 1, 2. I would not be surprised if we gap down again tomorrow. I would not be surprised at all if that gap down again tomorrow and gave like a 3 crow chart pattern in there. So definitely have my eyes on that. Okay. New indicator alert. What is it? This, the pivot. Was it this one, girl? Which one did she show me? Okay, not that one. The pivot points, high, low. Although I think this is what she had actually. Yeah. And here, this just will show you. There you go. Lord, y'all, not I done sat here and froze the screen. Where are we at with it? What's going on? Oh, I'm sorry if y'all can hear the hoopla in the background. Y'all know I'll be watching Real Housewives. Y'all know I'll be watching Real Housewives now. I think it was this one. I'll find that one and we'll get to it. Actually, I want to find it too. It wasn't this one. Nope. Yeah, I'll find it. She showed me a really cool one. Y'all, I love school. I truthfully love going to school. I love going to school. If I could live in a schoolhouse, I wouldn't, but I still love going to school. All right, so we got those levels in there, but I want to come to my 1 hour and just see. I mean, yeah, that's like clear right there. This 230.87. Yeah, and that's where we start. So, all right, cool. Love that. But let's see where the 10 is with the 20. We got this cross today, and they're diverged away from each other. So yeah, this should run. I'm thinking we're gonna get, I mean, I can see this downside movement in here. Just made this high pulled back, right? Let's turn this into a swing high now and come on all the way down here. All right, then y'all had NVIDIA, which I have been leaving NVIDIA alone personally. Sometimes you need a break from the kids, from the babies, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes you just need your little break. But drop base rally, bearish harami, came down here. I mean, this is my favorite level in here. So NVIDIA below 165 to 160.75. Y'all know I love that level. That one hits consistently. 165 to 160.75 if it goes below. 165 to 1, yeah. Because as you can see, when it does lose that, that is where it goes. When it loses that 165 consistently. When it loses yellow, it goes to pink consistently every time. So I love the chances of that one in there. And then let's see, where would I want to enter for the upside? Nowhere, honestly. Above this 172, which is, you know, that's what I see. I wouldn't want to get back into it until above that 172, but that's what I see for the upside, since that's where it rejected. But let's look in here on the hour. Oh yeah, baby, you couldn't pay me. It had to be above that 172.19. With a, let me look at my friend the 10. Actually, let's go back to the daily and look at, yeah, that would be its first stop then, this 163.50. And then down to the 160.75. That 100 way down there, ain't it? How is doing it? How sway? I just realized that. No, because Ben crossed that. I'm back down there. Yeah, and then it coming down to the 50 right there. Beautiful. Okay. Did we look at the upside for NVIDIA? Yeah, above this 172.19 to this, I mean, shoot, this shot up, and so did this, and then rejected there. I say this 170, 176. Okay, and then we had, let me look on the 15 because I want to look at the 100 with the 15, right? This is what you do when you learn something new, you continuously use it. So this would have been a signal to hold it. I mean, but honestly, truthfully, you could take NVDA below. I mean, you could scalp this, right? You could 100% scalp this. And the way that you figure out like, okay, well, what levels would I scalp is by, then this is when the retracement will help you in here on this smaller time frame. So you can see like before it gets here to this 165, which will be like the entry level on the watch list, right? You could take it below 167.32 down to this, well, it has it at 165.35. Mine's at like 165, even basically like this 165.6. So yes, and then even if you went to the 5 minute, it's still, well, same thing. Retracement. Yeah. We love to see it. We love to see it. We love to see it. Okay. And then y'all had Meta. Who is this? MetLife. Bean. Ooh, let me look at this. It's been a long day without you, my friend. And I tell you all about it when I see you again. It's been a long day from where we began. Okay, it's almost, it bounced off of it coming up. It's not actually overbought yet. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so you see this coming in, resisting in here at this 139. I mean, I don't, okay, so I would link this above this 137.53, but it's really, this is, it just doesn't, I mean, because it ran straight up without really pulling back. It doesn't have support. So let's come here to the 1 hour and see. Because I mean, it's just been on a run. back down here to this trend. So on this one, this is one where I would say it's a watch, right? If it breaks this trend line on the secondary, then, because where's the minor? So then you, even for like the minor trend, you have this, right? So I'd be watching for it to break around here, like this 135, 135.85, like in, let's see. Yeah, I think this around here. Yeah. Like this 135.63, breaking that to come here. And then maybe it'll continue down, or it'll come here and then bounce back up here. I'd take some profit, and then it could also do that. Or when you take profit, it could do that. So that's what I would watch for that. And then we have, I think that was it. Yeah. Okay. So let me know if y'all like this, doing our watch list video style. All right. See y'all in the morning.